Welcome to Stress Management Lesson 3. So I'm going to explain today's assignment. It's going to be a little different, and you guys will need to probably be walked through it in order to understand what you're doing. So it is not a normal PDF for turning it in, all right? This is something that you guys are going to have to do on your own. So watching my video, perfect. Watch this PowerPoint today. Watch the lecture. You guys will need that for the assignment for today. So task 3, complete lesson 3, the stress management interview information. Okay, this is what you're teaching to your interviewee. It's going to be the first page of the workout or of the worksheet. So today you are going to be teaching somebody everything you've learned, and then you are going to interview them. So if you don't teach them very great stuff, their interview is not going to be great. Okay, so with the PDF attached, the first page is your interview information. So that's what you're teaching them, that's what you're telling them. Okay, the second page is going to be the interview questions. So you're going to videotape yourself asking these questions. So you can't just say on a document, all right, they said this and this and this. All right, you actually have to go through, teach them. Then you're going to set up your camera, and whether you're interviewing a grandparent, a cousin, a sibling, whatever it is, you're going to say, all right, so this is what I taught you. And then you're going to ask the questions. All right, so they actually have to respond. The person that you're interviewing has to be high school age or older. Okay, so you can't interview your 4-year-old sibling. So they have to be in the video as well. So you can't just be you talking and someone behind the video. And you're like, yeah, they're responding. Okay, they have to be in the video with you. You have to ask all 3 questions that are on the worksheet, and they must answer all 3 questions. So you can't just do one. So again, you're going to watch this. Then you're going to go click on the PDF like you normally would, and you'll see that there's nothing really to answer. That's because the first page is the stress management interview information. That's what you're teaching someone. And the second one is what you're asking them after you've already taught them. So you don't need to record yourself teaching them. You just need to record the part of you giving them the questions. All right? So again, today your assignment is to interview somebody and see how well you teach them. All right, let's see what you got.